Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel, where I share beautiful Chinese themes that you can bring to global Xiaomi devices. As always, today, bringing you another beautiful China-exclusive theme that works perfectly on the global Xiaomi ROM. In order to install China region themes on global Xiaomi devices, we'll need to use the backup and restore method. The backup and restore method works on Xiaomi devices running MIUI 13 and above, all the way up to the latest version, HyperOS 3. All the themes featured in this video are included in a backup file in the video description. You can download it and use the backup and restore method to install them on your global Xiaomi device. If you don't know how to use the backup and restore method to install Chinese themes, you can check out the full tutorial linked in this video's description. Even though HyperOS 3 Global has been available for a while, the international theme store still doesn't offer any themes that can change the HyperOS 3 control center. However, when it comes to Chinese region themes, there are already many that support HyperOS 3. So after installing this theme pack, you'll be able to customize the control center on your HyperOS 3 global device. Now, let's go through some of the key highlights of the themes included in this pack before applying them to your Xiaomi global phone. You can change lock screen wallpaper. Open Theme app and go to Customize Theme screen. Custom lock screen wallpaper. First, import original image. Next, import background removed image. Disable then enable this option. The Chinese theme store offers a wide variety of iOS 26 style themes, and most of them already support the transparent control center effect, just like this. All the themes featured in this video are included in a backup file in the video description. Download it and use the backup method to install it on your global Xiaomi device. If you don't know how to apply the method, just refer to the step-by-step guide, also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next video coming soon.